Go.
It's Friday the 4th, 9:30. I'm gonna tips to repair video. Shingle. Repair. Saw lines will not match up. I'm not going to be able to use that. Length of shingle.
42 inches long.
42 inches.
That nail right into the front. Cool.
Bring this up a little bit. Oh shit. Look at this. Come.
I got it zoomed in.
You can see this?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at how it separates.
Yo, you can see it good?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, look, it already damaged the
watching
shingle. Did not overlift it. Came out pretty easy, but you can see damage was done to the shingle next to it just from trying to do this. It is a failed attempt already. I'm gonna stop right there. We ain't gotta do no more. Thank you very much. This is Raul with Roofing Guys. Have a wonderful day.